Alright, so right now what we're just doing is we're taking off the torque converter bolts, the flywheel.
Ready? Go. Now, is that bolt face front?
Yeah.
Okay, so that's a stock one.
Well, it's got a nut on it though. Or if they blew the torque converter too, because this one looks too clean.
Well, see, new shaft and new torque converter. Bet you all transmission's been gone through.
Alright, rotate it.
Stop.
Alright, ready?
Hold it. Yeah, a little bit of torque on it.
I mean, I know they gotta be tight, but dang, man.
No, actually, it should be 35 to 50 pounds.
Yeah, I guess. Alright. Rotate it. You want to keep your bolts and your nuts together because these are specialty bolts. Keep going.
Keep going. That's going to be an interesting one to get to. Keep going.
Alright, we're disconnected from the...
Alright, thing spinner free.
Oh, not yet. I gotta push the torque converter back. Alright, torque converter's back.
Okay.
I think I might need the bent 9/16 on this.
That's why we made that specialty tool.
I don't know where it's at.
This is a Spectra piece. An Atlas ignition module. Made in Mexico. Oh, it's got Ford parts in it.
Now we need to take off this oil line.
Yes, you're gonna have to get 2 wrenches for that.
Yeah, it looks like 10 and a 12.
You gotta be careful on this because you can ruin this and be in a world of hurt if you have the mechanical oil gauge. Flare on the top, 11 on the bottom. 5/16 on the top. Now you can get these replaced. I've had to do it once, but the gauge actually has oil it carries inside.
Me personally, I don't like that setup. I like all electric.
It's not as accurate.
It's better than having to screw with this.
Normally if you have your tools together, this isn't a bad job, but if you don't, this could be a nightmare. So this is the first specialty tool I've used so far of the whole series.
We need to get a 5/16 line wrench, or known as the open-ended flare wrench. That is off, sir.
Okay, we'll keep that in there and we'll break that out when we got it out on the stand.
I can just take it out now.
You don't want to lose it, so just keep it in there until we pull it out.
Okay.
Alright. Always remember the extension train, fellas.
Now I need to support the transmission. Okay, now
Spin it.
you got the nut off?
No, I'm going to hold the nut while you spin it off. Okay, yep.
Holy crap, this is a long bolt.
Yep. That's the way they are from here on out. They've got for almost 30 years.
This one's missing a bolt.
Okay, so as you can see, this hood's been off before. Someone has actually been nice and already made pencil marks, but we're going to freshen them up a bit. Nothing worse than a hood that won't shut when you get your project running. I do something a little bit different though. I also mark this. And this is on the vehicle you're restoring. So pretty much here in the corner, and just a reference line, you know, usually if you just do the top, everything else will follow suit, but there is some adjustment here, so we'll get the bottom one, and we'll get the nut. If the Sharpie will work.
Before we start doing the bolts, we're going to have to take off the hoses to the window washer.
Yep, go ahead and start doing that now, right? Alright, same on this side.
Did they zip tie this? They zip tied this.
Okay.
Oh, that's nice. I just broke the connector. Whatever.
Oh yeah, you gotta be careful with that, dude.
This motor didn't work anyways, though. Even though it had fluid, it wasn't the pump side of it's not working.
Restoration. That's what we do.
Okay, everything's off the hood.
Alright, 14mm bolts.
This has a lot more better. See, that is how the hook should go on, not the way you had it.
Okay, that's fine. Now finish the rest of that. Uh-huh. It's gonna have to be pounded out.
What about trying to keep going up past the mount point?
We can try, but now you're all the way up in the cab. Don't go any higher, Kev.
Okay.
You're pulling the cab with it. So go down a little bit.
Not now.
Okay, hold on. It's gonna go. It's gonna go.
Yeah, I can see it.
There we go. Stop now. Come chain me out. Oh, that was smooth. I like that. Some more days like that.
So what?
Back it out. Start pulling it back.
Is that what we didn't want?
Go, 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 go. Come on.
This jack goes high. Is there anything else connected? No? I think we're good.
Check the back, check the back. Stop. Oil line.
Oil line. That should be disconnected.
There you go.
Isn't there a jack we can try?
Yeah, you don't want it doing that. Try that to go a little bit slower with the jack so it doesn't bob on you. There you go.
We're almost at its limit.
We're good there.
It's leaking. We got a leaker. Alright, how are we gonna do this now?
You're gonna need another tire, dude, because we gotta pull some stuff off this thing.
As soon as we get this out of the truck, we're lowering it. I don't like the way you're doing this, but okay.
Well, you will on the side. Nervousness keeps you alive.
taking it down a little bit.
Yeah, the head gasket's blown on this one too. You see back here it's all black. That right there is typical GM when they blow their head gaskets on a 350. It always seems to be in the back. I got 3 other engines to show you that, but she's a goner. Alright, where are you going with that? You're really going to try to put that out in the dirt?
Yeah. That's why I was gonna show you.
You're going to need some plywood for that.
No, I was gonna do this.
Just going to get that chain again. What do you think he is? Ghost Rider? Didn't the Ghost Rider use the chain? Yeah, it was Ghost Rider used the chain. Appreciate that.
I've done this before. Simple.
All I hear is noise.
See?
Uh-huh. Watch this. See what happened to these chains? That's why.
You want to stand on that side? Because this thing's going to tip.
Of course it's going to tip. You're trying to drive it on dirt. Alright, take me to flight school. I'm not satisfied with this ride. I want my money back. Here, let me help you. Tell you what, just drop it there. At least it'll be out of the road. We'll strip it real quick, and we don't have time for this. We've got to move on.
Alright, you want to put a piece of wood?
Okay, try to put the rear hump in there. Alright folks, as you can see, we're done with this job here. This is motor 2, 3-day pull. We've got some engine work to do. We'll definitely record that. We're going to get the environment set up though, because we're going to do this engine work outside underneath the patio, just to kind of add some flavor and make it interesting, not do just a normal shop build, just trying to make it hard for us to show you that you can do this. So if you like this kind of videos, click like, subscribe. We'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.